Today, we continue to showcase the A-Starjet roll-to-roll label printer. May is the season in China. The humid weather places high demands on the laser printer. At this time, the advantages of roll-to-roll printing become prominent. 1. It will not cause paper jams due to humidity. 2. Constant temperature fusing ensures that the temperature is not easily lost. The video shows gap-free printing in humid conditions. Self-replenishing toner system, temperature control system. The simplest operation, the most reasonable control. Feel free to contact us.